Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your account status on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Account status is a way to find out if you've posted something that goes against our community guidelines and if it may lead to account restrictions and limitations, such as certain features on Instagram you can no longer use or your account being taken down. You can review Instagram community guidelines and learn more about why your content was removed and how it can affect your access to your account using account status. Now, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram and then tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines on the upper right corner over here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. You can scroll until you find Account Status options. You can tap on that, Account Status. So here's your account status on Instagram. You can see any actions that Instagram has taken when your account or content doesn't follow Instagram guidelines. My status is green. It means my Instagram account is safe. By checking your account status, you'll be able to view any content like posts, stories, or comments that has been removed from your account for going against Instagram community guidelines and may lead to your account being taken down by tapping removed content. Here, you can view certain features on Instagram that you can no longer use and take action to resolve the issue, such as appealing content that was removed for going against Instagram community guidelines or not following Instagram terms of use by tapping features you can't use here. This option. So that is how to see account status on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!